Danish engineer Steen Sehested created Steen Sehested, consulting engineer in Malaysia, back in 1924. This evolved into Sepakat Setia Perunding, as in SSP, a powerhouse engineering consultancy in 1973. SSP is one of the biggest homegrown engineering consultancy firms in Malaysia and has been involved in many notable projects both before and since Malaysia's independence. Led by an experienced board of directors, it has a staff strength of around 700 people, plus having their own building in Seri Kembangan. Integrated ISO certification from Serum and IQNet and various engineering awards show the quality of work SSP provides to their corporate and government clients. The skilled engineers and support staff have access to SSP's own library and other state-of-the-art facilities to maintain their high level of performance. Over time, SSP has spread its wings abroad, working on a number of projects in Brunei, Indonesia, and Vietnam successfully, gaining plaudits along the way. SSP, a trusted partner in the dynamic growth of Malaysia for 95 years. Its future shines brightly for all to see. Building Malaysia's future.